How to find YouTube channel ID. First, go to your web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome, but yeah, just go to your web browser. Here, as you can see, I've already logged in into my YouTube account, and here, as you can see, this is my account. So how did I find my ID? It's pretty simple. What you have to do is just basically press on your account logo right over here. Once you press on it, you will be able to see many options right over here, but you gotta go to YouTube Studio. This option. Once you press on it, you will be right over here, but you gotta go to settings. Just press on settings, and this will open up. And now you gotta go to this second option called channel. Just press on it. And here you will see three options. Just go to advanced settings. And now scroll down until you see the option of manage YouTube account. Just press on manage YouTube account. And here it will bring up this. So here what you have to do is basically again press on view advanced settings. And here as you can see that this is your channel ID and this is your user ID. So you could just basically copy your channel ID and paste it anywhere you want to. And then just like that, it would just use your channel ID, and you could just basically use it in your YouTube or anywhere to tell someone if they need your YouTube channel ID. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can find YouTube channel ID. So I hope this video helped you out. Please consider leaving a like and commenting under this video. So yeah, until then, goodbye, and that's it.